In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently search and replace text in Adobe Acrobat DC or Pro. This feature is incredibly useful when you need to make consistent changes across your PDF documents without manually editing each instance. Whether you're using Acrobat Pro or the standard reader, I'll guide you through two common approaches that will help you get your tasks done quickly and effectively. Let's dive into the first approach, which is using the Find Replace feature. This method works best if you have a PDF that's enabled for editing. Start by opening your PDF document in Acrobat Pro. Once your document is open, navigate to the Edit menu or find the Find Replace tool, which might also be labeled as Find or Find Change. If you're a fan of keyboard shortcuts, you can simply press Ctrl F to get started. Within the Find field, type in the text that you're looking to replace. In the Replace field below, enter the new text you intend to use. Now you have the option to replace each instance one by one, or use the Replace All function to update the entire document in one go. This process is a real-time saver if you have multiple instances of a word or phrase that you need to update. Finally, make sure to save your document to keep all your changes intact. The second approach we'll explore uses the Edit Text tool for more precise replacements. This method is perfect for when you need to make targeted changes or adjustments to specific sections or paragraphs. Begin by opening your PDF using Acrobat Pro and go to the Tools section, followed by selecting Edit PDF. As you do this, the text in your document becomes live and interactive. Click on the exact piece of text you wish to change, and this will activate the text box, allowing you to directly enter the new text. Feel free to adjust the text formatting as needed. You can modify the font, change the size, or even play around with the color to better fit your document's style. This flexibility allows you to maintain consistency with the rest of your content or make the text stand out depending on your needs. Once you're satisfied with the changes, remember to save your document. And that's it. You now have two straightforward methods to efficiently search and replace text in your PDFs using Adobe Acrobat. Whether you have a few quick changes or an extensive document overhaul, these techniques will streamline your workflow. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Adobe Acrobat tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.